back to the Last Ronin channel. Today we got a special guest, boy Brian, and
hot as hell. So hopefully I don't mess up this whole little thing we got going on here.
all right. So his car is gonna be this Nissan Sentra. It's not rear-wheel drive, but it got an SR.
A little swappity swap.
So I guess we can do a build breakdown on this car.
Oh shit! I just got attacked by something. Something just flew out of me. Yelp, was that what it was?
All right. I guess we'll start from the front to the back. So
yeah, we can do that. It's got a SR20VE swap, 5-speed transmission from another front-wheel drive Nissans. Got headers, N1 cams, springs retainers.
okay.
It's on a chipped ECU right now. It's all right. It's, it's fun.
So it's basically, is this a street car or track car?
Street car. A little twisty turny kind of, weekend warrior. That's what I would, classify it as. It's nothing crazy. It's not like no K24 or nothing, but it's still fun. Compare it to the people who want to compare it to something. You can compare it to like a nicely built B20 VTEC.
Okay.
As Nate would say, Nate over there. He's he compares everything to Hondas. So.
Hondas are better. They're reliable.
Yeah, they are reliable. This one's actually pretty good right now. So.
Okay.
But everything was put together at my house in my garage. It's nothing too crazy. I procrastinated a very long time to finish this.
Horsepower you think you're making on this?
Maybe like 220, two wheels, maybe.
Okay.
Maybe around there. I'm not really too sure. I gotta put it on a dyno and really see. But my buddy with the same freaking setup made 222.
What year is this car? And
94 Sentra. It's a base model, two-door Sentra, but it was all converted to SER stuff years ago, and now we got a big brake kit up front from TDMI. Got some Ray Ram lights.
Ray Graham lights, yeah.
Actually, he should know the specs on them because he's a wheel whore.
They look like 15s.
They're 15, yeah, 15 by 8 and 35 offset.
Running like Toyos.
Yeah.
Is that 225, 45, 15s?
That's the secret, man. Nobody. You know how hard it was for me to find the spec to put on the damn car? These are okay. So those are literally Type R wheel specs. They're not that. So like a Type R Integra or whatever, or a Type R Civic. That's the if you go on the website, what JHP? Is that what it's called?
JHP.
That says Type R spec, and then it's went right on there. But obviously you got to go 5 lug. These cars aren't 5 lug.
Let's move into interior.
It's kind of janky in there. Yeah. This is my radio. Like my radio, my little boombox. I got it on Amazon.
Alright, you got the Momo steering wheel.
My hanging.
No AC.
No AC, no nothing. Everything is gutted right now, but it's all gonna go back together.
Okay. Stock shifter.
Nah, it's not. I don't like it. I thought I'd like it, but I don't like it. I'm gonna put the stock shifter back in it.
Everything's pretty much.
We're gonna do that again. I got it all taken apart in my house, but the interior's gonna go back together, and from there I had to put AC. It's too damn hot, so
yeah.
We're gonna do that.
You got the stock seats.
Yeah, I got other seats at my house. Some Sparkos. How you say it, Sparko?
Sparko, yeah. What the suspension looking like?
Well, the control arms and everything on it, you can crawl into there, you can get a little glance. I got Progress sway bars, I got TDMI control arms in the back. As far as coilovers, I got some eBay freaking Rev 9s, I hate them. That's going to get upgraded soon, hopefully.
Exhaust?
Exhaust is full mandrel, 3-inch mandrel bend, all V-band. I did that myself. It's all custom stuff.
Nice.
Can't really buy like off-the-shelf stuff for this car.
Cool.
It's just kind of like hand-built.
Alright, well, nice car. Digging it. At least it has an SR.
It's not done. Unfortunately.
So today,
It runs.
it might be a TOUGE showdown. It might be another video for that, but we might do a car meet. But for sure, try to
I'm kind of sketched out.
do some pulls in this car.
Turns, I'll take you on a spin.
SR powered.
I act out. It's fucking sounding terrible. Alright. We'll get pulled over. We're in Mexico, by the way.
Yeah, we're in Mexico. Hot as shit right now.
It's so hot. It's like 108. What did it say? 108 today?
Yeah, like 108.
I'm sweating. Put your hand there. See if you're brave enough to put your hand there.
It's not that bad.
It was in the garage.
Do you daily drive this or no?
I only work 4 minutes from my house.
Okay.
But yeah, I drive it every day to the shop. So I have a company truck that I drive.
And how long you been building this car for?
I got the car like in 2018. It had basically a stock SR20, like a stock little SR20VE. Nothing too crazy. But yeah, I've been wanting to build one of these cars for a long time. I've had a few of them in the past, but nothing really like this. Clutch, now that somebody's in the car with me, now my clutch must be off.
Stock clutch?
It's an upgraded clutch. I forgot who made it, man. It came with the, I think it's a JGY clutch, but I'm not too sure. A little pull, like a little two-step pull.
God damn. Yo. Give a fucking like for that, man. Holy shit. That fucking SR power, man.
Here you go, guys. Smaller tire on it, and it would just light for a second, just light them up. Now that I got the 225s in there, it's like hooking a lot better. This thing redlines to 92. Tuned by my buddy down in he's from Puerto Rico, but he lives in Florida right now. Payu Tuning. He did the ECU on this, and it's just a stock ECU with a chip on it. And his tunes are proven. You just gotta like literally send it out to him, he'll do it. And you just get an adjustable fuel pressure regulator and a fuel gauge and set your timing. And this thing is like flawless. Like my air fuel ratio gauge, well, obviously I can't, well. So in third gear, I'm supposed to be like around 12.8, 13, something around there in the air fuel ratio. But other than that, she's pretty responsive, pretty reliable.
So as for the engine, would this like go in good in a rear-wheel drive car?
Yeah, I mean, the rear-wheel drive guys, they know all about these. I mean, they should know all about them. It's a popular swap. The cylinder head's a really popular swap for SRs.
Okay.
They get rid of that rocker arm, that, you know, issues that you guys have.
Yeah.
Throwing shims and shit. I mean, these also could throw a shim if you're redlining the damn thing to like 10,000 all day.
Yeah.
But for the most part, just for the average drifter that is looking to get a lot more power, I mean, it's expensive to do, man. It's really expensive. You need pistons, you need rods, you need all types of shit to get this to work properly.
Yeah.
But
oh shit, thank you for that, man.
Yeah, man. Alright, so hopefully we could do a quick little pull. I did it down there at in Mexico.
Mexico.
Yeah, Mexico. Sorry if my driving is a little weird. I got chanclas on. I got my little sandals.
The chanclas.
The chancleta racing. Aye. That's that Rev 9 coilover right there for you guys. Terrible coilovers. You ready?
Ready. That shit's dope. What the hell? So nice.
Alright, I'm gonna take it easy that way. I'm gonna do a pull coming up.
Okay.
So the brakes I have are really good, but I haven't really like tested the boundaries of this car yet. I don't really like, I'm just getting used to it, but I love the reaction that, yeah, it was great. Like, I don't know if you were expecting that at all.
No, I wasn't. Like, I figured it pulled, but not like that.
It's not super fast though. Like, I got buddies that have these all hooked the hell up, like a lot faster than this. And then obviously, there's Hondas out there with like really crazy swaps too. This is just fun. This is fun for me.
And you see a Sentra, you don't expect that.
So imagine doing this shit on a track.
Do you have plans for that?
Yeah. I want to get a harness bar in here. I want to put my seats in it, and it's just I need to finish a lot of stuff on the car. I'm not completely done. I'm waiting on my ECU, my other ECU that I want to get finished. I'm waiting on that, a full standalone.
Yeah.
It's just a lot of it's so much money.
Yeah.
No matter how much you think you can go on a budget, you always. I mean, I'm sure there's somebody out there that can build a car on a budget, but at one point you just forget about the budget.
Right.
So,
You want certain things for the car.
yeah,
you know.
then you start browsing the damn internet, you find something you really like, you're like, oh, I need that now, you know, but do you really need it? No, but you just,
And you look at the price after.
yeah.
Yeah.
Fuck it. I lost count already, I don't even count anymore.
No, this is a really nice car though.
It's fun, it's just fun.
And honestly, that's the best part. If you have fun in it, it doesn't matter what it is.
You want to get hunted? You want to get...
We need to get some gas.
What the hell is that? A corn nut?
Oh my
Fucking throwing corn nuts at me?
How was that?
It was so dope.
Alright.
This shit pulls.
Alright, so unfortunately we don't have an ender for this video, so I'm gonna leave it as a part 1. Part 2 will probably be a surprise on the S2000, and we'll just leave it as that.
That's what we gonna do, man. Stay tuned. I don't know what I'm gonna put on this hoe yet, but it's gonna be something.
Yeah, and then I guess we're gonna probably do a toge with this S2000 versus Brian's shit.
I'm gonna have new tires this time.
Yes, sir. Alright, so like, subscribe, put some comments in the video.
Yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video. We got the winner of the giveaway.
Yes, sir. Shout out to, his name is Eric.
Shout out that boy Eric. He won on the giveaway.
And then hit up the Last Run website. We got some new stickers in stock right now, so hit that up.
Make sure you do that.
Sure.
昨晩はずっと戦ってましたけど、全く眠くないです。今、